Hey, welcome to SWG's Woodworking channel. Today we're going to be building a cool jigs. I got the lovely Shamane here helping me. She's going to be doing some learning. I'm going to be teaching her. So if you want to watch the video, stick around, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, folks, we are over at the table saw and we're going to cut these lengths down to 30 inches and they're all marked out. And so we're going to use, I'm going to show Shamane how to use the Crosscut Sled. And basically what she needs to do is, so there's a line, pencil pointer, there's a line right here drawn on the piece, and this is the edge of the, where the saw cuts. And so you just line the, line up with the edge of this slot here, and you'll get a perfect 30-inch cut. So, okay, you want to do the first one, or you want me to show you how?
You show me.
Okay. So, just
So lined up correctly?
yeah, we'll go this way. Right along the line. And if you measured these right, they'll be 30 inches long.
I measured them twice.
Remember to keep this left hand out of the way. So if you want to slide it forward, while it's not running, you get your Is that where you want it? Okay.
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. Ready?
Well, too far this way. It's already keep all the way through. You're already there. Okay, now pull it straight back. Okay. Turn your saw off. So. Oh, that one will be a little bit short.
Okay.
So we got to make sure we get them.
Is it this way?
Nope, other way.
No, other way.
So slide it up.
Better to do it like that and then shorten it if needed.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
I think that's good. All right, here we go.
Oh, no.
No?
No. You're a little bit too much to get. See, you want to leave just a little bit of the line so you know you're 30 inches.
Ah,
So now you're like a 16th short.
see, that's my problem.
So if we can line up the short ones. Some people will probably say, well, clap all together, make one cut, and they all be the exact same length.
That's true.
So there is that.
That one is perfect.
Okay.
should be good. One more.